Good afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday afternoon on November 11th, Remembrance Day, for English 8B, Iizuka campus for KIT. Let's see, got a few things that we're going to do. We're going to use Immersive Reader again this week and work on skimming and scanning. We have a new thing that I want to show you. I'll show you this right now. You can't see this on your own Moodle. This is for me right now. You can see that right there. It says hidden from students. We're going to do that in a little bit because I want to show you a piece of software called Quizlet, but I want to show you that in time. Okay, we also have a reading for this class, which again, I'll show you, and a little bit of quiz work that you'll be doing as partners like we did last week. The corrections that you handed me last week, okay, this is the video explaining what I think a lot of you were making as common mistakes. That's the video that explains it. And then the document that I was using in that video, this is the document. So if you want to check the common mistakes that people make when they're writing, and maybe this will also affect your reading, please watch this video and then check the correct answers to the assignment that I gave you last time. Okay, that'll be pretty much what we do here. The Quizlet that we'll be doing, this will be part of the study that you need so that then when we do our writing, next week on class number 7, November 18th, we're going to be doing writing again. Quizlet will introduce you to the vocabulary that will make it easier for you to understand. Okay. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please make sure that you ask me at my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. You don't have anything, actually, that's what I should point out. You don't have anything to submit this week. You don't have any assignments this week. You don't have anything to work on this week. I just want you to be able to make sure that you understand Quizlet. We're actually going to be doing a bit of a game with that, and we'll be doing this in-class partner work. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in class.